check it out. Right here it says 2020 Volkswagen Atlas 2022. Show you guys how to take off this trim panel and the door handle. Right? First thing first, let me show you guys something first. The first thing that I want you guys to do is come down here. Guys, see that little thing right there? You use the flathead screwdriver. You put it right in the groove and pop this piece out. Take that piece out. And you see that screw? That shiny screw? Take that from there, guys. That is a T30. Alright, that's what it looks like. Star tip. T30 star tip, guys. You're gonna put it there and you're gonna turn the screw to the left. And you're gonna take that screw out. Then it's gonna come down to the bottom. You see that black screw right there? Same thing. Use the same tool, RA number 10 wrench, and turn this. You're gonna turn this. Right there, just like that. And then you're gonna pop out the trim panel until it comes out. Just like that, okay? Now you guys stay tuned and watch the work. Come on guys, take that screw out. Once you guys take that screw out, go to the bottom, put your flathead. Right now in the groove, and you're going to try to turn. Remember, you want to pull it hard, but this one is very hard. So pull it. Your hands. Once you guys got enough room, put your hands there. Put your hands there, just like that. Pull it out. Just like that. Once you got it loose, guys, go ahead and pull it up. See that? It comes right off. Unplug the cable. I'm going to show you guys how to undo this cable. So this cable is easy to break. It's easy to break. So I'm going to show you how to undo it. Okay guys, this is how you lose the cable. Guys, see this black clip here? Gonna push it forward that way, okay? Push it forward that way and then take it out. That's how you do it, see? It comes right out. Be careful because this thing they break easy. Okay? That's how you take it out. Now, once you guys get the cable loose, you gotta take this out as well. This piece for the hold that, the switch that control the window. In order to unplug the switch, guys, you see this piece right here? Push this piece in, both sides. You're gonna push this in. Now you're gonna take out the lock. Push it in. All right, both sides. And then eventually this piece right here, it comes out. All right guys, in order to get this handle out, the handle, this black rubber there, go ahead and take it out. Look at that black rubber. You're gonna change the light, because there is a clip inside here. For that clip, guys, you guys see that tool right there is homemade. Okay, you get yourself a clothes hanger, a wire clothes hanger, and bend it just like that. Because there is a clip that's down there. You're gonna put that clip in there and you're gonna pull the clip out. then you're gonna take out the handle. That's it, guys. You're gonna see a clip in there. But once you got to the tune there, you're gonna pull the clip out. Then you can put your flathead screwdriver just like that. Pull it out. Comes out. See, guys? It comes right out. Then you pull this handle backwards towards you. Unplug it. I say take it off, guys. Okay, okay, guys. When you guys put this piece back and this piece, go ahead and do the same tool and just push the clip back in. This time it's easy, just push it back in. The hard part is hooking it and taking it out. If that's on that, that's how you take it out. You make sure the tip is short. Got to be very short. All right, that's how you take out the handle, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next video.